Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. This is just a really quick mail call and stash ad video. Also going to give a shout out to another YouTuber who I just recently received a shop card from. So stick around and we'll get right into it. Okay, I just recently got this shop card in the mail from William over at Ruckus Rod Kustom. Thanks for sending the card, William, and also thanks for the kind words on the back. If you all haven't checked out his channel yet, please do. He's got some good stuff on there. He recently just finished a build with his son. I believe it was his son's first model kit, and it was a Gen Z style Corvette Z06, and it turned out really great. So if you haven't checked out his channel, go check it out, give him a like, give him a sub, let's help grow his channel. All right, now let's get into the stash ads. Okay, let's get this big one out of the way first, because it hardly fits in the viewfinder here. All right, so we were at Walmart last week, just on a whim, and lo and behold, what do you know? I was on my way to try to find some batteries, and I saw, they have models. I mean, I was like, I knew that Walmart was starting to stock models in some stores, but over the last year, I keep checking and there hasn't been any. So finally, our Walmart does have models. So yay, Walmart. And the prices were very reasonable. So I picked up a bunch of kits. This one I picked up of the Fruhoff van trailer. I've been looking for a trailer for a while to go with some of my truck builds. And I thought, wow, I'm just going to go ahead and get this one because it's been a while since I've seen one, and this one will work out perfect. I can customize it however I want. Okay, the next stash ad I got was the X-Wing fighter from Star Wars. This is a repop from Round 2 Models and MPC. I believe this is it's the Snap It Together version. When I was a kid, I had the Glue Together version, which I really wish they would reissue that one. I believe it was larger, at least, or maybe it's the same size, and it just seems to me like it should have been larger because I was smaller then. I don't know. But either way, looking forward to building this kit. I do have the Darth Vader TIE Fighter that recently came out, so I will be building that as well. And it looks like there's fairly decent detail on this kit, even though it is a snap-tight kit. All right, the third kit I picked up was the Keaton-era Batman Batmobile. And I did build this kit, 25 years ago probably. And it was a fun build. It was a nice kit. Did not come with a figure, so this is a nice addition in the kit. I had been considering picking up this reissue kit for a while now, and I just kept putting it off. And the last time I was at Hobby Lobby, they no longer had them. And then when I went to my local hobby shop, they no longer had them either. So I was pleased to see this at Walmart. So I didn't hesitate. I picked this one up, and I'm sure I will be building this one on the channel at some point soon. The next kit that I picked up at Walmart was the 1988 Ford Mustang GT. I really like this era of Mustang and the styling. So when I saw this, I thought, you know what? I'm a Mustang guy. I gotta have this Mustang in my stash, and so that I can build it and put it up on the shelf with my other Mustangs. So I picked it up. I've heard some good reviews about this kit, so we'll see when I get into it just how good or bad it is. So I will be building this one on the channel, so you'll be seeing it again soon. Okay, the final kit for the stash ad from Walmart is, Christine. As you all know from my latest Halloween video, I'm a big fan of Christine and those types of movies where the cars either come to life and they basically become the star of the movie. So I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I've never just actually picked one up. And then again, similar to the Batmobile, they just stopped showing up at the hobby store and at Hobby Lobby. So when I saw this there at Walmart, I just had to have it, so I picked it up. This one, I'm not sure if I'll be building on the channel or not. This might just be a personal build for myself, but we'll see. And again, as normal, I may come up with some crazy idea to do a custom version of this, so you never know. It might show up mysteriously on the channel. All right, so that's going to conclude my mail call and my shout out and my stash ad video. Hope you're all having a great week. For everyone who showed up for the premiere of the Fright-Liner, I really appreciate y'all being there. It was nice chatting with folks. Not sure if I'll do another premiere like that again, but who knows, I might. So until the next time, friends, everyone be safe out there and go build something. All right, the next kit I picked up was let's try that again. Okay, the next pit. Oh gosh. I remember when these came out, I've always been a fan of Mustangs, and let me just start that over again because my wife will call me out on that. The next kit that I picked up in Walmart was the come on, Dave.